Hello guys, welcome to the Rakhwal technology. Today we are going to start a series over the CrowdStrike and this would be a first video where we are going to see how to install the CrowdStrike sensor in the Windows. So first you have to log in over the falcon.us2.thecrowdstrike.com over two websites. Then just you have to click on the three lines. You have to go to the host setup and the management, and there would be options called the deploy. In the deploy section, there will be a button sensor download. You just have to click on that. After that, you will be seeing the sensors for the multiple OS like Windows, Mac, Linux. Today, since this session is regarding the Windows, you just have to click on the download sections. And from the right side, you can see there is a second option, copy your customer ID and enter during the install. So we have to copy the CID and save it in Notepad or anywhere. So in which system you are going to install. So I have the RDP. So I already copied the CrowdStrike download sensor files over this new system. So we just have to double click on that. It may take some time. It's very simple. Like you just have to click on the accept and then you just have to paste the customer ID installation token. You can leave it empty. Just click on the install button. This may take few minutes based on your internet speeds and your system performance, and it can also take less than a minute since and the screen you will be able to see this. Let's move to the dashboard again. Once this is installed, you will be able to see this over the host. Just go to the host management. This device will be going to appear here.